Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the unboxing series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today we're going to be unboxing the Meble Furniture Rova Electric Fireplace 75-inch TV stand. Now make sure to watch all the way to the end because not only are you going to see exactly what you get upon opening the box, but we're also going to share with you our step-by-step assembly video showing you how to put it together, as well as our full and complete product review telling you everything there is to know about the TV stand. Real quick, make sure to like this video and subscribe to join our tribe. And so now, let's get straight into the unboxing. Here is box 1 of 2. To start, we have to cut the outer plastic ties that secure the box. Here are the reinforced cardboard edge protectors used to protect the sides of the box. These are very sturdy, very strong, and very hard to break or penetrate. If you can, avoid opening the box with a sharp object in order to protect the parts inside. Here are the protective styrofoam sheets used to pad the top of the box. During the assembly, they can be used as a safe surface to assemble parts on later on. Here are the high-gloss cabinet doors. Here is the instruction manual that we all love to read so much, right? Haha, just kidding. Here are the 4 vertical panels of the TV stand. Here are the TV stand feet and cabinet door handles. Inside the bag, there are 8 feet and 2 handles total. Here are the 3 top panel supports. Here is the bottom panel of the TV stand. Here is some soft wrapping paper layered under the bottom panel that we just unboxed. Here is the tempered glass shelf. Here is the middle panel of the TV stand. Here are the 2 rear panels of the TV stand. Here is the mixed bag of hardware parts. And here's the hardware after being separated and organized. Here is the LED hardware box. Inside are the LED lights, receiver, and power adapter. Here is the LED remote control. Box 1 of 2 is complete, so you can place the packaging back inside for now. Here is box 2 of 2. Carefully open, then flip the box. Once upside down, slowly lift the outer box. Remove the plastic corner protectors. Carefully open and flip the box. Once it's flipped, lift the outer box to uncover the firebox. Locate the rock crystals inside the styrofoam. Check the bag for any tears or missing pieces that may have scattered. Here's the firebox remote control. And here's a look at the 40-inch wide electric firebox. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then please subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal of 1 million subscribers. If you want to learn how to put this item together, then there will be a link to our step-by-step video assembly guide either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to follow along. If you want to watch our full, detailed review of this item, then there will also be a link either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to learn more. And for other resources regarding this item and where to buy it, check below this video or in the description.